So I am at Bridge Gear Park on Harbor Island, Port of Seattle, Washington State. And so at this park, you can get beautiful views of the port and the Space Needle. So, got some port equipment over there. And then in the very distance there, the Space Needle! Alright, so Bridge Gear Park. It provides a little bit of background about old bridges that used to be here, specifically the first bridge, which is called a bascule bridge. So it looks like the Spokane Street Bridge. And so they have different, so the gears that are provided here, so Bridge Gear Park, not like hiking gear, but like gears, the technical type of equipment. It's cool, so they have from this former bridge different parts. And for each part, if you go up to them at the back, it tells you how much they weigh. So this piece is 4,000 pounds, and it's kind of cool. You can have this gear and zoom in and be like, oh look, Bridge Gear and the Space Needle. Bridge Gear and the Space Needle and the ports of Seattle. Very cool. And then over here, this massive hunk of equipment, this one weighs 41,000 pounds. So that's a bit heftier. Supposedly easy to up, relatively less energy expended. Oh, look, a golf ball. For this bridge's operation. This semi-mighty, 15,000 pounds. They're all mighty, really. And then this little guy, the smallest one at this park, this one is 2,200 pounds. It's pretty cool. It's neat to have a park like this where I can come and see former equipment and learn that, in fact, these two bridges are not the first bridges. There have been bridges before them to cross this way. And then a little bit about the foundation of the park. It was built in 2007 for citizens of King County and some people who helped in making that a reality. And then there's a small little parking lot over here for if you want to access the park. 2-hour parking only, and then some rules to follow if you visit. Beautiful view of the West Seattle Bridge from here too. Very cool. Nice place.